Hey there, Tech24 fam. Today we are diving into the world of skincare with the incredible Serum Avocado skincare set. This 6-in-1 skincare gift set has everything you need to keep your skin looking and feeling amazing. From a facial cleanser to a sleeping lip mask, this set has got you covered. The deep hydration and moisturizing power of avocado oil will leave your skin feeling plump, hydrated, and smooth. Not to mention, it will improve skin elasticity and firmness, reducing the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Who doesn't want that? This set is suitable for all skin types, so whether you have dry, oily, or sensitive skin, you can benefit from the nourishing and revitalizing properties of this skincare kit. And ladies, if you're looking for the perfect gift for your friends, family, or even yourself, this is it. Treat your loved ones to the gift of beautiful, healthy skin with this anti-aging skincare set. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description to get your hands on the Serum Avocado skincare set and start your journey to radiant, youthful skin today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more amazing tech and beauty content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.